Hello, I am Patroy Montague, EDD student with the UWI Open Campus, specializing in teaching, learning with emerging technologies. The purpose of this video is to share with you my philosophy of teaching, and I like the premise upon which I base my philosophy. Teaching philosophy is a statement of introspection of one's perspective about the teaching and learning process. Teaching perspective inventory, which is one of the documents I use called TPI, articulates the teacher's perspective on the beliefs, intentions, and action which supports the concept of a learner-centered teaching and learning environment. In creating a foundation for my philosophy, I refer to my results on the TPI test. From this document reveals my test results, which saw my dominant perspective being highlighted as nurturing perspective. The nurturing perspective is grounded in the progressivism theory of education by John Dewey. As a pragmatist grounded in progressivism, I support the concept that the learner must be placed first, and he must take the prominent and active position in the teaching and learning environment. The learner, through social interaction and cooperative activities, must be engaged, and it is through these that he will derive his knowledge, or this will be his source of knowledge. In my nurturing capacity, my classroom should be engaging with small groups of critical thinkers, questioning, learning by doing, and learner given independence through self-directed activity-based learning, and also shared decision making. My recessive perspective, I must note, however, was transmission, which, if was dominant, would demonstrate a more teacher-centered or the traditional teaching style. This, for me, however, based on the TPI result, was recessive, which means that this is not my preferred or favored teaching style. Of course, in this traditional teaching style, behaviorism and operant behavior would be the order of the day for my learners. However, as an advocate of progressivism and nurturing perspective, the learners entrusted under my care will take center stage, while I will be supportive in the nurturing of the learner. The intended result is that every learner will learn, because every learner can learn. so that no learner will be left behind. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share.